girly pops.
This is where we're doing the intro?
Yeah, my videos are not professional. Hey girly pops!
This is the wrong channel.
Go subscribe to Haley Pham. Last minute, I DM'd her and I was like, Haley, wanna collab? And she actually was like, yeah. Well, she didn't say yeah. She wasn't that excited because it's irrelevant.
Yes, I was. I was so excited. I've been waiting for this all week.
Then I was like, okay, well, I'll fly out to Texas. And she was like this month? I was like, yeah. I forgot to explain what this video is. So this is a transformation video, spending $1,000 not to look ugly. I already did my hair. If you guys can see, it's pink. Posted some pictures on Instagram. I'll insert the footage of me getting my hair done, our nails done. We got our nails done together. And then I got my eyelashes done and my eyebrows painted on. Hi, this is what I look like before. I'm at the hair salon right now, but if you guys can see, my roots are growing out and I'm gonna be leaving for a month, so I want to get those done, dye it another color, and also get it toned so that the end of the month of February comes, my hair isn't like yellow. We're bleaching the roots of my hair right now. I've never had my roots bleached. My hair is so blonde. We decided on a color and I'm gonna go pink because I've already done purple. Oh, we just blow dried the hair. This is what it looks like. Look at my hair. I love the pink.
Next morning.
It is currently 8:20 a.m. and I haven't slept yet. And I'm gonna go get my lash extensions. I'm at my lash place right now. She does my lashes every time. Oh god, you can see my gross ass blackheads. Gross. But these are my lashes. I barely even have any and I accidentally cut them off. The lashes are done with. They're super dramatic right now, but I'm gonna be gone for Europe for a month, so I want them to, you know, die down. Frick, my AirPod just fell. They're gonna die down with the end, but these are just what they look like. I really like them. If you guys wanna go check her out, I'll leave her Instagram right here.
1 hour later.
It's currently 11:25 and I've been home for about an hour for my lash appointment now, but I'm headed over to an eyebrow appointment because I'm gonna get my eyebrows tinted. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna leave my brows like this. I think they look really natural and good. Okay, this is what they look like now. It's henna. In like a couple hours, it's gonna turn darker.
The next day.
This is what they look like. I got coffin shaped. Let's see your nails. Oh, we're finishing up the nail look. This is what they look like. I got nude because I'm basic and Haley got hot pink. She has a hot pink scrunchie on right now. I'm getting my shoulders massaged right now. This is very extra. My intro is getting copyrighted. That's why I'm like not really doing it anymore.
5 hours later.
All right, so we're back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My family said that I should take over her channel. A lot of you guys have been asking if we're sisters because both of our last names are Pham. Yes, we are long lost sisters. We didn't know until like this week. And yeah, it's been great meeting my Hey.
Are you guys related? That is the question I get asked the most whenever Haley Pham is mentioned. We have the same last name and the same birthday.
Yeah, that part's weird.
Yeah, we have the same last name
We're
and
twins.
the same birthday. No. I have this blue glitter peel off mask, this pink one that we have.
Ew, that looks so gross. Wait, how are we gonna do a nose strip and a mask?
We'll do a nose strip and then put on a mask around it.
Oh my gosh, my tits look huge. Not to brag, sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna put an under eye mask and these and then put the face mask around and put one.
I can't believe that's gonna be a good thumbnail. That should be the thumbnail.
No, because we don't look that ugly. That could just be like my intro. Wait, why are these so tiny? My teeth are like horse-like teeth.
It like slides everywhere.
Why?
Whoa, does it work?
Perfect.
Ew, oh my gosh. I'm scared. You're like freaking me out. Look, they match my nails. We were at the store looking for a lip color that was the same as my nails, and this is exactly the same color.
Honestly, it should just be your channel video. You're talking the whole time. I can't even talk. Okay, every time I talk, the bottom
Ew, ew, you have to blur that out. I'm fine. I don't know why.
How I do mine.
Ew.
This is not a look. Now we have our eye mask.
It has to get uglier before it gets prettier.
Mine just stays ugly.
Ha ha ha.
Ugh.
Oh, oh yeah. I'm nutting. I can't laugh
gonna try to do nose strips.
How is that gonna fit?
We're gonna make it work. Wait, I put these on wrong.
You stupid hoe.
PG-13. Haley, just kidding. This is my channel. I'm kidding.
I'm not associated with that kind of behavior. Wait, aren't you supposed to get this wet?
No.
Remove strip from pouch. After washing your face thoroughly, wet your nose.
Ow. I ripped it all off.
I'm doing my mask now.
That's not pink.
It's iridescent though. Whoa! It's like iridescent pink. Look at the light.
Blue.
Blue.
You remember the song Blue? I'm blued out of...
Yours is cooler. I'm crying. There's not enough that comes in this. This is a scam.
My family, more like my scammy.
Every time you do a brand deal.
Oh my god, fun fact. We were both in Bali together at the same time. It's just cute. Ew, I touched your titty.
Ew, it's great.
How long did we do this on for?
15 minutes.
Should we have a dance party? We'll look this off.
Ba-dee-dee-da-dee-da.
Yes, Haley, come on. Haley, go!
That was only the first song.
You want to hear Chico Mode or Mo Bamba? I'm jealous. Hi Ryan, she still loves you.
Can I take this shit off? Teeth transformation. I have to pee. Don't look.
Kidding. Haley's peeing. I want to entertain you guys. This is not even gonna be satisfying. Oh, kind of ripped.
Hey, I can be chasing, but my son will be wasted.
ASMR. Time to cake our face. So I'm using this moisturizer.
You wish you could put that in.
Oh, I will.
No, you can't! Collab canceled. Whoa!
Yeah. This was the most expensive makeup item I've ever bought in my life. I put way too much on.
Can I use it?
Yeah.
Oh, whoa. It's like powder.
Now I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup blurring stick. Don't know if this does anything. Then I usually spray my face with Margot Descu.
Ew! Her freaking whitening pink strip was attached to her merch.
Okay, then I'm gonna use the Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer. This makes your face very glowy. Then I'm using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream.
Oh, that stuff is talked about so much. I am setting with my Fenty Beauty Lavender Powder.
Mine is from the drugstore.
The drugstore.
Oh, f me, I just rubbed my eye.
You like hold your hand.
I usually rest it on my boob.
What do you do on a typical day? Like actually?
No, I told you what I do.
No, like, like
actually.
give me your routine.
Routine, wake up at like probably 1 or 2 o'clock, watch YouTube videos, stay in bed, eat some food.
And then you go to bed?
Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't do much. I don't have friends in Edmonton or anything to be hanging out with.
You not get bored?
Because I've been doing that for like the past, what, like 4 months now? Yes, I got my eyebrows hennaed, but then I just put foundation like all over them, so.
Can you open this?
Oh, I kind of got it. Look at this, I just opened this up and it's from Sephora. Look how cute this is. Oh my god, there's a flower in the middle. Ew, I look fucking disgusting. This is the final look.
Oh, hi.
This is the final look. As you guys can see, my hair is pink. Got my eyebrows hennaed. Got my eyelashes done. She has her eyelashes done. We did a face mask. We did our cake facing, wait, no. We did
a lot.
We did lip mask. We did under eye mask. We did a nose strip. We caked our face. What else? Oh, we changed our outfits. We had our nails done. This is from Nike, but it's from like a resale store in Edmonton. That's hot. These jeans, garage.
These jeans are from my mom. This is from Hollister, and that's all I'm wearing.
Wearing shorts.
These are Brandy.
Wow. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys don't know who this is, just kidding, you guys know. Her name's Haley Pham. But you guys know.
They probably don't.
Haley,
please subscribe if you don't know who I am. I'm really desperate.
Go subscribe. We're not sisters. We do have the same last name.
And the same birthday.
But if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys didn't skip the ads and let me know if you guys subscribed because I read every single one of my comments. Go follow my social media, my Instagram because I posted so many pictures of us and it was probably annoying the heck out of you guys. Bye.
Bye.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, and sending them but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see.